Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error when you are trying to use sound. It's showing here this sound isn't licensed for commercial use on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open TikTok, and now from here let me show you. I'm going to select this one. So it's showing here this type of error. So go back from here, and then you have to tap on your profile. There it is guys, tap on three lines. Now tap on setting and privacy. Now tap on account. Now as you can see guys, it's showing here switch to personal account. So you have to tap on this. Now tap on switch anyway. Now it's done from here. So again let me show you here. Open TikTok and search for a particular song like this. Now again I'm going to tap on this. As you can see guys, it's disappeared from here, and now I can use this song for my videos. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.